Are you looking for a professional HVAC company for AC installation? We can help. We are a locally owned and operated HVAC company specializing in residential and commercial AC installation. Our team of HVAC technicians is experienced and equipped to help you. We are fully insured and licensed and have been serving our community for many years now. We take pride in providing affordable AC installation services and an amazing experience to our clients. Contact us today for a free no-obligation quote for AC installation.